Right, let's talk about MXI 514. This is a 1982 Maserati Merak SS. A proper Italian sports car from the era when designers wore sunglasses indoors and engineers thought reliability was more of a suggestion than a rule. Only 140 of these were officially supplied to the UK, which means spotting one is rarer than finding an Italian electrical system that behaves itself. Under the bonnet sits a Maserati-designed 3-litre quad-cam V6, breathing through 3 Weber carburetors. The result is 190 brake horsepower and 188 pound-feet of torque, which in the early 80s was more than enough to rearrange your hairstyle and mildly terrify your passengers. This particular car isn't some neglected relic either. Oh no, it's had a life of careful attention and expensive spa days. Specialists such as McGrath Maserati have been involved. The engine was rebuilt by Stanwood Engineering at around 21,000 miles, and along the way it's received a new clutch, refurbished steering, and suspension work to keep it feeling properly sharp. Visually it's rather gorgeous. Black paintwork, ivory leather interior, and the original upholstery still wearing its patina like a badge of honor. The body and paint were redone by Moulton Coachworks in 2018, so it looks every bit the dramatic Italian wedge it was meant to be. The design comes from Giorgetto Giugiaro, working at Ital Design. The same man responsible for shaping some of the most iconic cars ever made. The Merak shares structural bits with the Maserati Bora, but it's lighter and has a 2+2 seating layout, meaning you can technically bring friends. Assuming they're very small friends. In the classic car world, the Merak SS is often seen as the thinking person's alternative to things like the Ferrari Dino 246 or the Lamborghini Huracan. Still exotic, still dramatic, but with handling that's lively and responsive rather than trying to murder you at the first damp roundabout. And yesterday, at Concorso House in Bradford-on-Avon, this very car went under the hammer. And the bidding stopped at £30,000. Which, frankly, for a rare, beautifully restored slice of 1980s Italian madness, sounds suspiciously like a bargain.